I'm out looking for points again today, and I've been in this creek a little while now and haven't found anything. Check this out. I taped my scooper on the end of my stick finally. This water's been so cold, freaking cold. Finally remembered to do that. I don't think I need it for this one though. I just walked up on an OMG. I can't believe it. Look at that freaking smoker. I don't know what it is. Laying just like that. I haven't touched it. It looks like this has some awesome flaking from here. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Holy smoke, it's kind of thicker. Wow. Gosh dang it, man. Got to love wintertime creeking. Wow. I don't know what this is. It's got some older flaking to it. Man, it's thick. Wow. I can't believe it. Gosh, I wasn't even going to go out today. But look at that. Wow. Alright, I'm going to keep going. I got a lot of looking to do. I'm still going in this same creek. I just found that big thick point out of. And I mean, I did. I just found it. I'm not very far upstream from where I found it. And look at this thing down here. I thought it was a flake. I already rolled it around once, and it is a little, beautiful little point. Holy cow. Wow, it's missing the tip for sure, but look at the color. Man. That is too cool. A little bitty, I guess that's a little bird point. That right there's about an inch probably. Wow. That is some awesome color. I thought it was a flake. Okay, I'm gonna keep looking.